Hi everyone, welcome to Paper Phenomenon. Hopefully you are all doing well. I'm going to share with you today again here on the video. It's pretty fabulous. I'm very excited about it. I think you guys are going to really love this one. So let's get to it, guys. I'm going to change the camera view. It's a really good size. It's a really great project. And the paper is gorgeous. All right, guys. So here we go, my friends. So we have this fun lid right here with a little acetate peekaboo. And it's a really good size. Let me grab my ruler very quickly. You know, I always tell you guys that all of my projects are simple but with a wow factor. So super fun lid. It's got a box at the top. You guys are getting this fabulous closure, of course. And it opens up to reveal, oh snap, bonus project alert. Don't look at that. And it opens up to reveal these 3 boxes. I want to point out what is so fabulous about this project. You guys know I don't make junk. So it's got 2, and I didn't glue my paper down there. I keep on forgetting to glue it down. It's got 2 kickstands here, what I'm calling kickstands, which keep these, because if these boxes did not have this kickstand, you would not be able to put anything heavy in here. So do you see how that makes that so super sturdy with this kickstand right here? So it's really, really important that you realize what we got going on here. It is just perfection. This box, of course, is on your work surface. This one is floating just a little bit higher, and this one is even higher, just right at the top. But you can put, oh, and of course the mini album's not in there. There's a gorgeous mini that goes in here. And seriously, guys, the papers are beautiful. This album is sized for 4x6 photos and below. Lots of room for photos, but of course, lots and lots of room for your goodies. A lot of fun, really beautiful things in this album. Look at this paper, guys. Look at this paper. So this book fits in the middle, and I sized it just to fit perfectly because I wanted to make the album as large as I possibly could. So it fits here. Because we have this kickstand, this box goes nowhere. You see that? Nowhere. It's perfection. It also fits in the top box. They're all exactly the same. Because we have this kickstand here, this goes nowhere. The box doesn't, you know, hang. No funky stuff, right? And then, of course, as you saw, it fits here too. So it is a beautiful, beautiful box. And you can put a mini album. You can, let's say if you made a baby version, you can put a mini album, some booties and a rattle, and I don't know, something else here, whatever. The kickstands magnetize up when you're ready to close. See those kickstands at the bottom? Everything nests one inside the other. This closes. Why do I not want to put the mini album in here? What is my problem? Mini album. Bonus projects, all of that goes in there. Closure, lid, you could put some, I don't know, whatever you want in there. And finito, guys. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at this paper, how gorgeous. So I just love the way that it turned out. And it's got a beautiful footprint too. It is, let's see, 8 by 6 length. No, so 8 by 8 by 6. So it is just fantastic. I hope you guys love it. Let me know what you think about it below. And if you're making one of these. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. And until next time.